we are back with another Dollar Tree haul. So I'm super stoked. I found a lot of new stuff that I'm so stoked about. So definitely grab a snack, subscribe, let's get into it. So the first thing, take off my watch, is I got the Brazilian caramel scented hand sanitizer. I love this. It smells so good. So we got that. Then, I'm trying to see. Oh. Then I did get this little plush. I think the matcha is just so adorable, honestly. So, I had to have it. And actually, let me go in the background of the video. We're gonna put it right there. It's just so cute and had to have it. Then, I got the scalp massager because I saw all over TikTok and stuff how good scalp massagers are supposed to be for your scalp. So I just got the little heart one. So I'm actually excited for that. So then I got the record player coaster set again because I absolutely love this, especially because I got a record player for Christmas. So we got that. Again, I have the bag underneath me that I put everything that I bought. Then we got this picture frame. How cute is that? It looks so bougie. I love it. So we got that. Then I did get another set of the cosmetic bags because this is the perfect size for like my big purse. So I was like, I'm gonna put this one in my green purse, and then they're great for travel. So just got more of those. Then I got the Amope, is that how you pronounce it? Radiant Skin Leg and Foot Daily Hydrating Serum. Reveals a beautiful glow. And for $1.25, this is actually a great find because you do get a lot in this thing. Like, it is a big little thing. Yeah, big little thing. Anyway, so we got that. Then, super random, but I got this glitter rubber duck. Okay. Okay, so it's cute. So we got the little red rubber duck. So, super cute, and it was fun, so that's what we got. Then, got the Salt Range, I forget what, Kiwi little lip balms. These are great. These are great. I love them. Then for a penny, I got the BFF lipstick by LA Colors. Super nice shade. And for a penny, then I got the lip oil. This is going in a gift basket, but the Sheer Nude lip oil. I'm a big fan. Tried it, liked it. Then, blast from the past, but this is my literally go-to lip balm. It's the Rose Oil Lip Balm Go From Clear to Color. And this is my go-to Dollar Tree product, honestly. So, then, I haven't seen these ones in a while, but it's the double nail file. You get one glass and one regular. So I picked this up. Then, another restock, the 2-in-1 Beauty Impressions. It is the lip mask and lip scrub duo. And this one is in the kojic acid. I got that. Then, got this Barbie Mattel by Smart Care on the go set. You get 21 pieces, and band-aids, wound dressings, tape, all that. And they had all different kinds too. So this is a good find for $1.25. So got that. Then I found my favorite makeup brushes again, so I got a couple more. So this is the angled makeup brush. This is really good for blush. Then the powder brush, which I love. I love this whole collection of the new ones with the case. So we have that one. And then the contour. Again, this is fantastic. And then the highlighting fan brush. I've yet to try this one, so I'm excited. And then my ultimate go-to one, as we know, is the foundation brush. I can't hype this one up enough, but I love this whole collection. So, got that. Then, we got some new deodorants. So, by Power Stick, limited edition sugared cranberries. I did smell mine, and I am a fan, so this is a sugared cranberries, and these are aluminum free, I'm pretty sure. Aluminum free, yeah, says it right there. So, sugared cranberries. Then we have Champagne Glow, which I really do like this one. This one's probably my favorite out of the three. So we have Champagne Glow. Oh, and it's champagne, tangerine, and berries, by the way. And then the last one is Mocha Mousse, which is chocolate and coffee. I would probably restock on this one. This one smells really good too. So, those are our new deodorants. Then we got some new lipstick. I just showed this. Got some new Froyo lip balms. So it's the Froyo lip. So it's supposed to be like frozen yogurt, I guess. So we got vanilla. We got cotton candy, which is definitely my favorite one. Cotton candy and creamsicle are my favorite. So creamsicle, chocolate, and I got another creamsicle, and then strawberry. I think that's all of them. I don't know, strawberry, and then our last one is coconut. And then I got another cotton candy because that's my favorite. So yeah, that is all for that bag. On to the next. Okay, then I've never seen this before, but this is a little To Someone Special little plush, and it's a little robot, and I think this is so cute. I feel like you don't even have to have it just for Valentine's Day either. I'm obsessed with this little thing. So we got that, and of course it was $150, but I thought it was definitely worth it. Then we got some new hair scrunchies. And everything else I showed you at $1.25. But how cute are these hair scrunchies though? And you get 4 of them, and you don't get a cat, but you get 4 hair scrunchies. And look at that, super cute. Then I did find these, the Be Pure Lip Balm compared to Vaseline, and it's the Blushing Rose ones. I haven't seen the Blushing Rose in forever. So we got the Blushing Rose. Then we have a Rare Beauty dupe. It's the Beauty Intuition Hydrating Lip Gloss, and I got the brown. And then we got the mauve. So that's that from that store. I got a ton of penny finds from that store, which will be its own video again, because there's some more penny finds that I'm finding, so that'll be a whole new separate video. But for now, that's what I found at that store. Hopefully I find some goodies. I'm going to different stores this weekend, so we shall see. Next store. So I got another one of these Conair hair straightening attachments. Literally, I used this 2 days ago after I washed my hair, and it did straighten it, but obviously it's been 2 days. So, but I use this thing. This thing is phenomenal for $1.25. Please pick this up. Then, for $1.50, I did get another one of these record player coaster sets. These are amazing and perfect for gifts, and that's why I got it. So, got that. Then, for another gift, I got the Ammope Radiant Skin Leg and Foot Daily Hydrating Serum. This is great, so it's a perfect gift. So, got that. Then I got the Jasmine Dragon Fruit Scented Hand Sanitizer. I have cases, so I didn't need to get a case, but got that. Then I got another one of these mini LED makeup mirrors. These are perfect for in your purse. So, got that for that. Then, my cat is in stuff she shouldn't. I got this cranberry shimmer eyeshadow stick. Because why not try it, you know? So, got that. Then I got the Be Pure Glow Up highlighting stick, the e.l.f. dupe from a while ago, but I found it again, so I snagged it. So I got that. Then I got the Berry Sweet Lip Gloss in blueberry scented. I loved this collection, so when I saw it again, I snagged the blueberry. Then I got the liquid blush in cinnamon cream nude peach. I loved this, so restock on that. Then I got the Shea Butter Lip Balm in the strawberry red. I didn't realize how much I like this until I didn't see the collection for months. So I picked it up as soon as I saw the collection back. There's a reflection, my cat's go nuts. Then same with the blush. I got the Raspberry Spice blush. I loved this. So I restock on her. Bath. Then I got the Honey Ginger Lip Plumping Serum. Again, one of my favorites. Then we got the Cream Smooth Glide Shadow Stick. And the Macchiato Medium Brown Bronzer. I love this too. So restocks because, like I said, I found the collection again. Then another collection that was my favorite is the Global Beauty Care Snail Mucin Essence. This is the serum. I love this collection. So I got the serum again. And I got the moisturizer again. I love this collection, so I snagged it. So that was that store. But that completes this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely found a few goodies that were $1.25, obviously. I have a couple $1.50. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for. Ask you on the hunt for your favorite item, all of that. And I do have a couple more penny videos to film. So yeah, so I'll be uploading those too. So stay tuned for that. Definitely subscribe. See you in the next one.